All right, and before we start this vlog off, I want to shout out Candy Lashes. I will link her down below. She had these, you know, these fire ass glasses, you know. These
in black, brown, and she has pink.
So make sure you guys go check it out. She also does lashes, and I will be doing an unboxing for her. But I had to. It came. I haven't looked at anything else, but I had to get these babies out for today.
Okay. Nails by Nohemi Louisa.
Right. I gotta show y'all this one because mine came off. Mine's are old.
Yeah.
I do nails too, so make sure I'm gonna link that down below. You know, my nails fire too. My cousin's is real fire, but my nails fire too, you know. So make sure you guys check that out. And before we start this video, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, comment.
Get on the camera. Sorry, Justice.
It's for the vlog. It's for the vlog. Disclaimer, y'all, I brushed my teeth, so I don't know why my teeth is so yellow. Let's get into this video. My sister about to throw her trash away, and she over here talking a whole bunch of schmish. So, hi, my name is Justicedelish, and welcome back to my channel. In today's vlog, we're going to be washing my car. We're gonna go visit my dad, and I have.
Oh, hi, I'm
Yeah, so right now, you wanna go get Starbucks or?
Yeah, let's go get some Starbucks.
Fake. Somebody was on her game last night. So, what time you get off the game?
2 o'clock.
I woke up at 2 something. So, yeah. So we're gonna go ahead and go get the bucks. Can you call Daddy big? Don't make fun of my hair when you see it.
I'm a FaceTime Maquaya. We'll see it. So I won't laugh when you get here.
Not laugh.
That he really cracking up.
FaceTime you potato chips.
No, you gotta see it in person.
You do gotta see it in person.
Let's see it.
You can see me.
Oh, he ready to FaceTime.
I can see Miss Justice head. Hey, Justice, that look all right.
At least I got it all right. It's a natural look, you know.
He said he likes.
Why would I laugh at that? That's the way the girls used to wear their hair back in the day.
Yeah.
It's a style, you know. It's good to see these old styles coming back. Alright, I'll see y'all when y'all get here.
Alright, see you.
Alright.
Alright, drive safe and watch out for everything.
You got to with these people. Y'all, I bought these shoes. Okay, when we buy these? February? If it'll focus. February, March. Finally got me like some Vans. Never wore them. Thought I was gonna have a hot girl summer. Didn't happen. I don't want like our special drink, but then again, I'm like, do I really want the milky taste? You know, because I'm kind of thirsty. But y'all, when y'all get off work and recording, it just be like,
right.
I just want to go to sleep. Oh, she's going to Vegas. I'm supposed to go to Reno, Tahoe, but we'll see. We'll see. But she's definitely going to Vegas. I mean, I have everything set. I have my ticket already booked. It's just, if not everybody can go, not everybody can go. So we're not going to go. But I still want to do something. I'll probably still take off that Saturday if that is the case. But I probably won't take off Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, you know, because we need our money.
Period.
We need our money. So if I ain't going nowhere, I want my money. Vegas is party. You think Vegas, we're going to party. We're not relaxing really in Vegas. So that's why. So yeah, I'm happy to go there. Hopefully this trip is still on because I really want to get away from the Bay Area. I just want to go see another area, space.
Right, I'm tired of the Bay weekend here right now.
Right, you changed out. I was like, the Bay kind of lit, but we ain't got nothing to do. So everybody tested for positive for, you know, coronavirus. So today is, I think, the 9th. The trip was canceled. My trip was canceled. I don't know. Y'all gotta see if I did something or not. Just stay tuned for the next video. Can I get a you want a Trenta? Can I get a venti pink drink with light ice?
A venti peach green tea with light ice?
Yeah.
That's it.
Okay.
Pink drink, sorry.
Oh, pink drink.
You were talking about
Yeah. I'll do a Trenta pink drink with light ice too.
Okay.
And that'll be all.
10.50.
Thank you. I ain't had that drink in a minute. I want to be just like Maquaya. I'm the older sister. Sometimes I do. I'm not gonna lie.
Don't lie.
Sometimes it's okay to be the older sister and like.
Copy your little sister.
No, not copy. I wouldn't say copy.
This girl. Stop.
Shout y'all drink. Shout y'all drink. Shout y'all drink.
Oh, wait.
I gotta drive. That's fine.
She copied me.
Whatever. We made it to Vallejo. Hey, look at him, look at him. Hey, Daddy.
Y'all wanna hot too?
Your fingers been in it?
Oh, no, thank you.
Cars wanna fly. But go ahead and lock the door. I'm vlogging for YouTube a little bit.
You got a YouTube channel?
Yeah,
I
say
always
hi.
wanted one.
Now you gonna say hi?
Dude.
YouTube.
Hey.
It's a
What's
video.
up?
Guess
My name
what?
is Bass.
I'm gonna check
Hey, I
on
want to say
YouTube.
hello to the world from Vallejo. You know how we do. Much love for you.
He not even from
I'm gonna
Vallejo.
check on YouTube. I'm gonna check on YouTube. See, if I'm on TV.
You gonna check on YouTube? You gonna see. You gonna see Makai.
Oh, and guess what?
You like my hair? You like my hair?
Yeah, I like it. It looks nice on you. Yeah.
It's drying up now, but
I'm kind of looking at it like that.
right. You like my hair, Makai?
It looks nice. It looks nice. It's pretty style.
I don't like curls.
You can't say no
He cut his curls off. He don't like curls.
Just because you cut your curls off don't mean my curls ain't fire.
I think he be playing, but he be serious.
Look at him.
Get that bag, middle fingers up to a broke bitch.
I got Makai money, y'all.
Right.
Let me put it back right.
Period.
Going nowhere?
If it ain't about that cash, what? You don't care. Tell him. Tell him.
Tell them what?
If it's not about the money,
But they make it real
If it's not about the money,
we don't care.
we don't care.
And that's on what?
That don't even make no sense.
If it's not about the money, like, you're not sending us a check, if you're not sending us the cash, what talking about? And that's on what? That's on.
Take
Period.
What if it costs more than that?
It ain't gonna,
It's not, you good, we got you.
What's that?
Well,
What's that?
Go
on
put
my
that back.
finger?
How you steppin', bitch? How you steppin', bitch? You steppin', bitch? How you steppin', bitch? How you ain't steppin', bitch? You ain't steppin', bitch. I'm out that deuce.
car is dirty, y'all. Maquaya, she want to sit down. So you know we got this wash and wax. You know that advanced wash and wax formula. Boom. Ooh, don't look at my nail. Don't look at my nail. Don't look at my nail. It came off. It came off. So I want to take the time and apologize. If you were coming to this video to see something very satisfying, I'm not gonna lie, my dad wanted to clean the inside, but I was like, no, it's okay. Got tired. I got real tired. So hopefully you're enjoying the video so far, but that's all you're gonna see when it comes to washing the outside of my car. Well, I won't be going.
In the wintertime up in the mountains, they ain't gonna be trying to get you to go up there and ski down.
Okay, that's the point.
You don't know.
You don't like heights.
That's what they teach you.
They don't teach you. They don't teach you how to ski. They just tell you since you're a beginner, you need to go down this way.
Crocs and Vans. Ooh.
Oh, mine got dirty.
I think Kai did it. Crocs and Vans. Hey.
I really be hitting that thing.
Do it again for the vlog. Do it.
I be hitting that.
Daddy's like, yeah, please.
You try to get this drive off before it dries up.
Right. You need help? That looks nice, y'all. Look how shiny them windows. Yeah, I'm feeling bougie right now. Look how shiny the windows are. I think this one works better than
Here come a guy with a dog out.
I see him.
I don't trust people dogs.
I don't either.
They don't bite. Yes, they do. They got teeth. What make you think they won't bite in their goddamn teeth? That's what they do.
Mind y'all, these new tires. I spent what, $400 on these tires. 400.
See, they should have had the tires shining looking
They
like that.
should. Don't do the other places do it that you go to?
I need you to pull up a little bit.
Okay. You know them other places they don't shine it up too? Or isn't it like a solution or something?
They should have it. They should, but they don't. Some people they might.
There's one, I think. Tell me when to stop. I know I got Hassan in here. Hassan, and then I got my Tori. Gonna win?
He lost.
No.
You lost.
Yes, you did.
Okay, let's do it again. Stereo contest.
Wait.
Okay, you gotta say go.
1, 2, 3, go.
Wait.
He blinked.
I need a second.
No, you blinked. You lost.
Number.
1, 2, 3, go. Blink.
Because wind was in my eye.
Okay, the wind was in your eye.
Because something in my eye.
Oh. Oh.
One more time.
Let's not have an eye closing contest.
No. Didn't even record.
Hold it.
Game my good.
Yeah.
Which one? This one?
Mm-hmm.
This one.
No, I take the football. And you take the big ball. Right?
I didn't know it was loaded.
Here.
I didn't know it was loaded. How many bullets I got?
But you can still other people. That's the
I said
only
how many
bullet
bullets I got.
I
He said
got.
one. That's not fair. That's
But
not
then
fair.
if
That's
you
not fair.
shoot somebody
Makai, give me your gun. Let me show y'all. I'm gonna give it back. I'm gonna give it back. Let me show y'all how he do me. For one bullet, but you got this over here. That's not fair. It's now, y'all.
Logan, try.
Who bullets?
No.
If I
You
could.
have that other one right there.
What other one? Who taught you how to do this?
Put your phone on table. Okay. Put your phone on table. My boy. Ah! Get out!
Now that I'm editing this video, y'all really see how he tried to play me? I know y'all see them bullets flying. Like, he really tried to play me with my one bullet. Right, I'm like, that's not fair.
Take that one. Yeah, no, you got. Hold up. You just got.
You can time out.
Those two bullets.
But I'm done now.
Y'all about to get shot with my finger. That was gonna happen.
So y'all, today's date is August 3rd. I gotta remember to do that in my vlogs. But yeah, we're about to head back home. Your girl is tired.
Yeah, we had a good fun day, so hanging out with our dad.
He waiting for us.
Yeah, he waiting
to
for us to
go.
He's like, they gotta go.
But yeah, so we're gonna head and drive back. What is it, like a 20-minute drive, 25, 30-minute drive? Yeah, so wish us a drive safe.
He ready for us.
Don't forget to like, comment, share this video, and subscribe to the channel. All right, bye y'all.
Bye.
This damn nail, bro. Whatever.
Hey, nigga, roll up a paper. Smoking on Jamaica. All my niggas, they crazy. Run up on you with a K-top. K-top.